2 times.
Okay, Monday is the test. And I put the videos on the white list. So can somebody check it now? Should check it on your, what's the white list, so you can watch it in school. Oh, I just put this chapter's one, cause it. I don't even know how, like, you guys even know how to, can you just go to YouTube and click on something? How do you even get to the white list?
What is the white list?
It's on YouTube.
I put all the series videos on there. Wasn't easy to do.
So we can watch it tomorrow morning when or Monday morning.
Well, I wanna see if it works. The rest of you can just sit around and stare. You have to log into your email. And then you can watch it. Should you click on yesterday's one? Can you guys bypass the thing? Okay, here, let me read what it says here. I'm not technologically advanced. Okay, this is what it says. To view the videos on the whitelist, click on Iolani whitelist. Top right corner, then select Video Manager. Click on the playlist, and then click on Upper School Whitelist. So, where would the Iolani whitelist even show up? Because you can't even get into YouTube, right? Oh, is it in your email account then? Maybe it's in the email account, because you can't even get to YouTube, right? Clock, it's in the sites. Oh, I'm gonna figure this out. Nobody's leaving till we figure this out. Oh, there, Upper School Whitelist. Huh? So where did you find that thing? No. Okay, okay, you're in your email.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and then it says Iolani whitelist. Upper right hand corner. Okay, here, let me call the help desk right now. 9, 4, 3, 2, 3, 5, 8. Call. The rest of you can just stare. Oh, hi, this is Michael Park. Hi, I put my videos on the white list, and then I'm trying to have my students right now get to them, but they don't know how to get to them, and I don't know either. Yeah, so they have to get to it through their email, is that it? No, they can't get onto YouTube because it's blocked, right, for that. W309. Okay. Or you're gonna call me back? Yeah, call me, and if you can call like during this class, cause then they can learn how to do it for the weekend. Okay, thanks a lot. You're much. Let's see if they call back. Okay, what are we doing? There shouldn't even be problems anymore, yeah? 4b. Okay, somebody gotta read me the problem here. 4b.
Consider the power series for 1 plus x squared to the -2. Find the hundredths.
Wait a minute. Didn't we do to the -3 yesterday? And then now it's easier, -2, all hell breaks loose. Binomial theorem, people. That's the problem, you guys don't wanna use binomial theorem. Okay, so a to the n plus n. The power of a goes down by 1, the power of b goes up by 1, plus n minus 1 over 2 factorial. The power of a goes down by 1, the power of b goes up by 1. Let's just do one more for good measure. n minus 1, n minus 2 over 3 factorial. The power of a goes down by 1, the power of b goes up by 1. That's the binomial theorem. Hey, gosh, how can you not know that? So 1 minus 2x squared. What's 6 divided by 2? Plus 3x to the 4th. Minus 4x to the 6th. I see a pattern. In fact, okay, I'll tell you right now, on the test on Monday, I kind of made it already. I'm not going to ask for the 100th term, I'm going to ask you to write it using sigma notation. Because that's like the same thing, right? So sigma, n equal 1 to infinity. Okay, maybe you should write x to the 0 so you can see the pattern. First of all, positive, negative, positive, negative. Negative 1 to the, okay? Now look at the numbers, is there a pattern to this? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's n. And then x to the 0, 2, 4, 6. Hey, that's the same one from yesterday. The common difference is 2. 2n and then adjust. Minus 2. Maybe they'll send Mr. Shimamoto up here to fix it. You know, from the, okay, whatever. You know the basketball coach? But then he fixes computers too. Okay, next. That was very strange because this is way easier than the one we did yesterday. But then again, you're period 3, right? 6a. n equal 1 to what? Can't even remember. 100, n plus 2 cubed, n plus 2 quantity cubed. Actually, there is another way to do it, but that's not how I planned it. I'm just going to show you the way I planned for you to do this. Because actually, there's a really easy way to do it, yeah? Did anybody do it the easy way? Okay, let's just do it the way because I didn't think of it. But this is, I wanted you to learn, that's why. So the first thing you do is multiply it out. The least you could have done is multiply it out, right? Sang! Multiply it out. Read it off your paper. Ooh, there it is. Get your iPads ready. Hello? Yes. Oh, hi. Okay, hey there. How did the students get to the wait list? Yeah, but is that, I just put it on the white list today though. They're all on, yes, they're all on YouTube. Yeah, but they couldn't look at it in school, yeah, it's always at home. Yes. Oh, so yeah, so I just put like this chapter's videos on the whitelist. But then we can't figure out how to get them on, to watch it on the whitelist. They can't figure out how to get on it.
It's all on
Okay, I have it all, oh, so they can go to the, cause I have it all on a Google site, I have it on a Google site, and where they just click on the link at home, yeah? So can they just do that then? If they go to, okay, cool, but they have their iPads with them now, so we can try, yeah? Yeah. Uh-oh. What do you mean embedded? Okay, I don't know what that means, but, yeah, maybe somebody can show me how to do that then. Maybe I'll come down later then. Okay. Oh, but then they should be able to watch it on a regular computer at school now, though. Oh. Okay. So what does that mean embedded? And that's okay, I'll come down later. Okay. Okay, thanks. Goodbye. This is all gobbledygook, I can't understand what he's saying. You guys know what that means, embedded? He said there's problems with the iPad or something, because when you go to a YouTube thing, it changes the URL.
Oh, damn. Embedded?
So you have to embed it.
Alter?
Huh?
Just put the video on your site, rather than like connecting it to the link onto YouTube. Now like students say have the video already there and you can just play it on the site.
And how do you do that?
You go to sites and then just inject it. There's no any like edit your site on.
Wait. Okay, start all over. But I have a Google site.
Yeah, so you just put it on your Google site.
Yeah, I did.
As a video.
And how do you do that?
You go and edit your site.
You mean you put it on as a video? How do you put it on as a video?
When you upload your video onto YouTube, there's like a link that has like embed, and you copy it and you paste it. And you go
It's
to-
barbaric though. So, if the video is in YouTube right now, I can put it on a site, embed it on a site. But it's gonna show up as a link.
No.
I think I showed the video.
It's like a picture of a video.
Yeah, I think so.
Maybe the audience knows.
Please help me! Shimomoto, strike one! That wasn't even Shimomoto. Okay, Zach, finish it off. We should have done it by now, right?
Plus 6x squared.
Plus what?
12
12 and,
plus 8.
what is this, from Chai?
No,
Did you multiply it out by yourself?
my brain.
Okay, good. Now we split it up into separate sigmas. Sigma, n equal 1 to 100, n cubed, plus sigma, n equal 1 to 100, 6n squared, but you can throw the 6 on the outside, right?
Right.
You guys remember these, right?
Yep.
Plus sigma, n equal 1 to 100, and throw the 12 on the outside, plus sigma, n equal 1 to 108. And all of these have formulas, right? What is this equal to? What is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube all the way to 100 cube? 100 times 101 all over 2 quantity squared. And then on the test, I probably not gonna even make you multiply it out. You're not gonna even be able to get a bonus. You just have to write it out like this. Plus 6 times n times n plus 1 times 2n plus 1 all over 6. Unless you want to multiply it out. And then what is this one? Okay, don't say anything. N times n plus 1 all over 2. And then what is this? 8 plus 8 plus 8 100 times. 800. And then you just leave your answer like this on Monday's test. No bonus at all. Even if you compute it, you get no bonus. You're just doing it for exercise. Okay. Next. 6AE. What is E? Cosine n degrees. Okay, so we got 6E. Sigma n equals 0 to 180 cosine of n degrees. Okay, well, start with the first one. Cosine of 0 degrees. Then plug in 1. Cosine 1 degree. Cosine 2 degree. All the way until you hit cosine 180 degree. Well, Mr. Park, I know that's 1 and that's negative 1. But I don't know what cosine of 1 degree is. It doesn't matter. You can figure it out. Look, draw the unit circle. Okay, here's 1 degree. What can you say about the cosine of 1 degree and the cosine of 179 degrees? They're going to cancel each other out, right? Because, right, this is the same angle. It's just that the x-coordinate of that point is positive, but the x-coordinate of that point is negative, so aren't they going to cancel out? So by the same reasoning, 2 degrees is going to cancel out 178 degrees, right? And they all cancel out. And the only one that's left is cosine of 90 degrees, but that's 0, right? So the answer is 0. Yeah.
For 6A, can you like use the cubic formula and then subtract?
Yeah, that's what I was saying right before we started. Remember I said there's an easy way?
Yeah.
But then that's not what I planned in the problem.
Oh. Okay.
Yes, you can. You know what he's saying?
No.
Okay, this is what Chai's saying. Plug in 1. Plug in 1. 3 cube. Plug in 2. 4 cube. 5 cube. All the way until you hit 102 cube. So he's saying, why not just use the formula for 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube all the way up to 102 cube and just subtract the 1 cube and 2 cube.
Oh. Yeah, but it didn't say on the bottom, so I did it that way.
Yeah, I know. You guys understand what he's saying? So what's the formula for 1 squared, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube all the way to 102 cube? 102 times 103 all over 2 quantity squared. But then you gotta subtract 1 cubed and 2 cubed. Yeah, but when I made this problem, I didn't plan for that. I just wanted to make a problem where you had, where you would review all the formulas. Because that's what you want to do before a test, review, yeah. Okay, yes, you can. Okay, next, 7 and 8. Okay, now sigma is the Greek letter for S, which stands for sum. And now instead of sigma, now we have this is the capital letter pi. Lowercase pi looks like this, right? This is the capital letter pi. N equal, what is it, 1 to 2002? Obviously, I wrote this problem in 2002. And what is it, n over n plus 1? Okay. Okay, so it's the same thing except different. What's the first number you plug in? 1. What happens when you plug in 1? You get a half. Then you plug in 2, you get 2/3. Then you plug in 3, you get 3/4. You plug in 4, you get 4/5. And you keep on doing this until you hit 2002. So you get 2002 over 2003, correct?
Yes.
But it's not a sigma. If it was sigma, that means you would add them up. But this is pi. What do you think pi? Pi is the Greek letter for P. That stands for product. You multiply them. In fact, didn't I tell you? I told you what it means, right? You multiply. So the capital letter pi means you multiply all the things. Okay, and then what? Let the canceling begin. Rupu, 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 rupu. So what's the only thing left? 1 over 2003. I just wanted to expose you to that symbol. And then finally number 8. Number 8 is on the board. Are you serial? Didn't we already do this in probability? Yeah, and here it is again. Okay, how many marbles are in the jar? 3 red, 2 black. So 3 red, 2 black. And then Bert and Ernie take turns drawing marbles in the color. The first person to draw the black marble wins. If Bert goes first, what's the probability that Ernie will win? That means Ernie goes second. Okay, so what's the probability that Ernie wins? What's one way he can win? Bert goes first and pulls out the black marble. No, the red one. What's the probability of that happening? Okay, now Ernie goes and now he pulls out the flap. 2 fits. Because you keep putting it back in the jar, right? Okay, next. What's another way Ernie could win? Bert could go first. Red. Ernie gets a red. Bert gets a red. And then Ernie gets the black now. Okay, what's another way this could happen? Bert, Ernie. Bert, Ernie, Bert. And then Ernie pulls out the black one on this one. Yeah, but Mr. Park, if you keep on putting them back in the jar, the thing goes on forever. Yeah, we did this last chapter. Hey, you somebody. This is an infinite geometric series. What's the common ratio? What do I have to multiply by? 9/25, which is, and the absolute value of r is less than 1. So therefore, the sum of this infinite series is the first term. 6 over 25, all over 1 minus r, and then you guys can compute that, right? And did you remember what happened on the probability test? You guys remember? Wasn't it snap, crackle, pop?
Oh yeah.
Didn't it make 3 people?
Oh no.
So tomorrow what? 4. If we make 4 people, all hell breaks loose.
Yeah.
Come on, it's the same thing except different. Okay, any last questions? Yeah.
Will there be a lemony twist?
Let me think.
Or is everything just
I don't think there's gonna be a lemony twist. You guys just have to recognize your power series and be able to lomi. Like, okay, let me look. Was there any? Yeah, like problem 6D. Everybody did 6D? In fact, isn't that a repeat of another problem we did before? It's a repeat. Okay, that's why you guys didn't ask it, right?
Yes.
You're bugs. Okay, so there's no questions and we're done then. Finish early today. So so let me ask you this. Would you go to the computer lab to watch a video in school? What's the purpose? Yeah. Shimomoto, Shrek 2! This is not it, but that wasn't even Shimomoto. Okay, we're done. Just make sure you know your power series, because if you mix up the power series, I don't think I can give it partial credit. Because like they say when we grade AP exams, you're out of the problem. You're not doing the same problem.